Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Romany and if you're new here, hello, welcome. Today we are on day 11. Yes, day 11 of the 30 days of beauty. Day 11 is favourite hair products. I am not a hair person. Well, I'm a hair person, obviously I have hair. But my hair knowledge is very minimal, if not minuscule. So if you are more of a hair expert, then please come educate me. Come educate me a bit more. If you are new here to my channel, then thank you for joining. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's run through my favourite hair products. So as you can see, I have medium long. Oh wow, I used to have very long hair and then I had it all cut off and it's growing like a weed as normal. It has a natural kind of wave to it, so it's not dead straight. It does go curly if I allow it. It will get quite a good curl to it, and as you can see, it is dyed. I get quite a lot of grey hairs and I'm very dark as well, so I dye my hair, and I've dyed it like a reddy colour. As you can see, it's a whole lot of mess at the moment. As normal. I generally wash my hair about twice a week. I used to wash it every single day, and then I thought it's not very good for your hair to be washed every day, and plus it was getting longer and longer and it was just too much hassle. So I do wash my hair maybe twice. If I could get away with once a week, I would definitely. I don't generally have a favourite shampoo and conditioner as such. At the moment I'm using the Way shampoo, and that's just because I got it in my FabFitFun, so I've been using that. It came in a nice big bottle and just use a little bit of that, and it's like a detoxifying one, and it does make your hair and your scalp feel like it's been well and truly washed. Yes. Conditioner wise, I just reached for the very first conditioner that I've got. I absolutely loved the R&Co shampoo and conditioner. It was like TV hair one, but it's so expensive, although it did last me a long time because I only wash my hair that twice a week, but it's too expensive. I don't think I would continue to purchase it on a regular, unless it came in a bigger bottle and you know it was a bit more money saving. So I might look into that. I might treat myself at some point. When it comes to actual products that I put in my hair after I've washed my hair, I do use this. This is the Aveda Damage Remedy. This is a daily hair repair, daily hair repair, instant visible repair, protects from heat styling. So it is a heat protector. That is one thing that I do use on my hair all the time, is that heat protector, and you'll see that. This is just like a little, you just pop a little dollop on your hand and then comb it through wet hair and then continue on your styling journey. I use this one as well. That's Amika. I only use this because I got this in my FabFitFun. I have other blowout sprays and creams and things like that as well. This is the Brooklyn Bombshell blowout spray, and this is also heat safe, it says. I thought it had like a heat protector in it. You just spray this over your hair on damp hair and then continue with your blow drying and everything. Well, as we're on blow drying, I got this last Christmas. Oh God, it is amazing. This is the Revlon blowout tool thing, volumizing. It's amazing. It dries your hair and it gives it some volume, gives it some lift. It does make it more, makes my hair less curly, more straight. I use that every single time I wash my hair. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. Well worth it if you want to get some body and you want to, and it makes your hair really smooth. It's lovely. I love that thing. Hair tools I have lots of. I don't know necessarily how to use them all correctly, but I do love my hair tools, and I should really use them a bit more. But that I use all the time, when my hair is dry, you know, maybe day 2 or 3 after washing, and I feel like I want to style my hair, straighten it with a hair straightener, whichever, I use this. This is the Schwarzkopf Pro Style Heat Protector. Heats up to 220 degrees. It has a thermo shield and it smells delicious. And that is one thing that I need in my life for hair product. It has to smell good. It has to smell good. Otherwise, I'm not interested. So it's just literally sprayed evenly throughout the hair, then use your straighteners or your curling tongs. So I do use that. I have repurchased this several times, just because it smells nice and it's a reasonable price. Once I have straightened my hair, I use this. This is the Aussie 3 Miracle Oil. It's a lightweight oil treatment for normal to fine hair. It has Australian macadamia nut oil, Australian safflower seed oil and coconut oil. Literally, I just pop 1 or 2 little squirts in my hair, rub it round my hands and just whiz it through after I straightened it. Just gives that little bit of shine to it, and this smells, oh, that smells delicious as well. If I'm feeling more of a natural, leave my hair natural, I use this. This is the Schwarzkopf Got To Be Beach Matte. This is a texturizing salt spray for mermaid styles. So I have got that mermaid crimper curler thing. Mark Hill. And he said Marc Jacobs. Yeah, I wish. Spray this evenly on towel dried hair and then you scrunch it. So on damp hair and then you scrunch it, and my hair, when I do it like that, it really curls up. I don't generally put any heat on it afterwards. I let it do its own thing. I use that as well. I do use it on dry hair. I'm not sure if it's allowed to be used on dry hair or if you get the best results on dry hair, but I will give it a spray on dry hair just to give my hair some texture. And that is generally all I use on my hair, as long as it smells nice and it kind of tells you exactly what it's for. Because I don't know about you, but I get very confused over creams, gels, oils, sprays, and you're just like, what? Oh, and I haven't got any left. Hairspray, I generally I don't like my hair to go too crispy with hairspray, so if I do need hairspray, it's got to be a very light one. I don't like a really strong hold unless I'm doing a style that needs holding. And then if I need a style that needs holding and I need it held, then I use the Schwarzkopf gel spray, freeze spray I think it's called, something like that, but I haven't got any at the moment, so I can't really show you. Anyway, that is my favourite hair products. Hair straightener wise, I just have a normal hair straightener. I can't even remember what make it is. Any of my hair products, any of my hair tools, I will link them probably in the eye above or down below. I will link some of my hair tools that I have used on camera for you, and that will hopefully help. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!